Hi guys,
Mom, what are you doing in my room?
I am just using your laptop and because I don't have a desk in my room. What's up?
Okay, well, me and my sister here, we went into your room and we were like looking for her piggy bank and we found something under your bed.
You find something under my bed? Let's go find it. What did you find under my bed and why you guys even went to my room? You found it. Where under my bed? This side or that side? That side?
No.
Aha! You find this, don't you?
Yeah.
Hello guys, hello. Yes, I have crazy earrings today, crazy triangles. So happy new year guys, happy new year. I am so happy to be here again today, and I am in my oldest daughter room. Yeah, this is kind of the teenagers display stuff, but just using her desk because she has one in her room and I don't. Shame on me. I have a new toy. Yes, guys, I have a new toy that I purchased a couple days ago, and they finally here, both of them. So I have my AKASO I don't know, guys. English, it's so difficult, so I don't even know. I will go with AKASO, okay, guys? So I have the camera, and I also have the selfie stick. It didn't come together, so I bought them separately. And I am so excited to try this, like to unpack it, open it up, and then show you. And also, I am so ready to start filming the outside, the outdoor, scenery. And because sometimes, like holding your phone, it's not very convenient. The hand can get tired and stuff like that. But with this, I think we are back to business. Yes, we are back to business, and we're gonna do good business. So let's open it. I came here on purpose because she has a table. It looks like this. Yes, very small. And inside we have all the accessories. All the accessories, so many accessories. I can show you one by one. I think this is kind of a remote, maybe to activate a picture, like to take a picture or so. I also have this. Most of the stuff, this looks like a key. We'll find out in a minute. And we also have this. So many accessories. Each of them, I think it's basically when you want to mount your camera somewhere, like on a bike or on a helmet, or stuff like that. There are so many. And we have, I think this is a battery. We have a battery. This is a cord. I can open it for you guys to see. It's probably just when you want to transfer like your file into your phone or your computer, something like that. And we have so many stuff, so many stuff. like another cable here, an extra battery, and so guys, I am going to educate myself. I probably not gonna need all of this. I am just going to see like just to do some research, watch a couple of YouTube videos, and which I did. I was already prepared when I order my new toy here, and actually I had read some positive, very good review about this product, and it fits my budget as well. So I am ready to try this and take a couple pictures and videos. So this keys actually goes here, just we wanna disassemble the camera. So just like this, I'm just gonna open it. Yeah, oh, okay, it's good to go. There we go. And then it loose. Yeah, we're just gonna open it, take it off of this, so I can really show you how tiny and cute this is. Look at this, guys. It's so cute. It's really so cute. Yes, it's so cute. All right, so I know that the batteries goes here, yeah, in this section. So we are going to open it, and you can see inside. We're just gonna match those 3 points with the battery that we have here. Okay. Okay, so this gonna go there, just like that, and then we close it. There we go. And I am going to remove the film, and we have our little screen. So guys, I forgot to show you that it came with a memory card in here. Okay. The memory card is right here, and the guide, our guide shows how to insert the memory card on in here. Yes, so guys, just like I said, when I order, you know, I was looking for a camera to buy, to purchase, and I had time to educate myself. So I had time to watch videos, I had time to go into every single people review, and some of them actually it was very nice from them to share a little bit of videos how they were opening up the product and how they were insert the batteries and the memory card. So I'm just repeating what I saw. It's always good just to do the research, and that's how I know. So for the memory card that we have here, the illustration number 5 shows how to insert the memory card in the camera. So if you place your camera like this, the memory card should be somewhere here. So this little space that you see here, this is where goes the memory card, and they also show exactly how you need to place that. So I am going to take off my memory card. Oops. And it's right here. It's right here, and we are going to place it exactly as in the picture here. Guys, I hope you can see. And we are going to insert that in here, just like this. Give it a little push. And we go. So we did insert the batteries underneath here. This is where goes the batteries, and here where goes the memory card. Now that we have complete those two steps, we are going ahead and turn it on in here. Let's press. Yay, guys, look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yes, you can see my hands, so I can see myself in the camera. Hey guys, it's so cute. This is how it looks like. It looks very tiny, and I think I need to set up the time, the date, and all of that. But this short video was just to show you my new toy, and I can't wait to start using it. Now guys, that we have put we see that our camera is, we just saw that our camera is working. This is the selfie stick, same brand. Sorry about that. Same brand. And it looks like this. And just like I said, those are accessories. I need to find something that I am going to use. I'm just going to put it back in this little house over here. But eventually I am gonna be using this, I think. This, I'm not so sure, but I am, oh no, this is, I think, to charge the camera. Okay, there we go. So this is to charge the camera, both no, sorry, the batteries. This is to charge both batteries. And then we can see that we have this where we can actually put our charger, the cord that I showed earlier, and we are good to charge them. So yes, this is neat. And so yeah guys, just like I said, I'm not familiar with every single of those, but I will find out as we go, you know. Maybe probably I'm gonna see more, I'm gonna be watching more videos. This can actually go like this, you know, if it's in the, it can go like this, and I just need something to hold it tight. Yeah, something like this. It came with the selfie stick. So no, I think I'm doing it the wrong way. Push it down a little bit, because you need to see, you need to go all the way inside, and you can tighten it. Yes guys, so it is something like this, and then you can walk and, you know, take some videos, some pictures. It's more convenient like this than holding your phone. I think I'm going to enjoy this. And guys, I can show you all the outdoor sceneries, summertime, wintertime, why not? And yes, thank you for watching.